Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also, do one thing by following us on our Telegram channel. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, there you can stay updated. We can give you one or two updates. You would want to be updated, right? So, go to the comment section, you'll find the link to the Telegram channel, click on it, subscribe, and you'll get an update from us. So I told you guys that we would be expecting a further movement to the upside on AUDUSD, especially if you watched my analysis yesterday. I told you guys, and I've told you guys my targets. My targets in the long for a while now, probably next 2-3 weeks time, should be at a level of 0.68617. I repeat, a level of 0.68617. That is the level we'll be expecting AUD to actually get to, because we are still on an uptrend move. You can see this massive move. So this we can see as an higher highs. Here is the higher lows, higher highs here, and here comes the higher lows. If you take a look at this, higher highs, higher lows. So this here is a massive movement, and I believe that that movement will continue to the upside. Then maybe after some times an higher lows will be played, then another higher highs till tap our level. So that is why I said in 2-3 weeks time, I believe we should actually tap a level of 0.68617. That should be for swing trader. So let's go to our forward time frame. So let's start from here for quick analysis. I'll start. So this is our highs here, higher highs here. There is our higher lows. You can see here to be our higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. This was the analysis that I predicted to you guys. I told you guys that markets will push up, right? This is what market did. It has given us this higher highs, and right now we are in the Asian session and a pullback is currently playing. So once the pullback plays out finish, we should expect a new higher high. So we can see it like this. What can you see? It is a trendy market move. Market is trending upwards. So once the pullback plays out finish, another movement to the upside is what you should be expecting on AUDUSD. Stay updated with us by following us on our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.